Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Yen and I like to film thrifting videos. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more thrift related content. Today I have a fun video. It's another mystery box and I'm going to be creating this for one of my Depop buyers. If you guys don't know, I sell thrifted clothes and vintage pre-loved items on there as well. And I also have a Poshmark and Mercari. I'll leave all the links down below. If you guys are curious to see what I would include in a mystery bundle, then please keep on watching. So this box is for Jessica. For her bundle, she would like 5 items, and she says that she loves neutrals, especially chocolate brown, which I am also obsessed with neutrals right now, and I love brown. She's not a big fan of white. Cream is okay. She loves green, so I love that as well. And then she says she also likes straight cut pants, mom jeans, wide leg pants, anything but skinny jeans and low rise jeans. And then she loves patterns. I would love to try to find some patterns for her. She loves plaid and argyle, which I also have been loving for this fall. And then she says that she doesn't like polka dots or stripes, and she doesn't want anything spring or summery because she lives in New Jersey. So I'm going to go onto her Depop and check her Depop likes. So under her Depop likes, I see turtlenecks. I see like this one. This is really pretty. And then I see a cardigan, some chocolate brown turtlenecks. I see some wide leg pants. This one's really cute and trendy. This one is pretty cool. It's like a patterned sweater. And then I see like more like a maroon kind of pants. I actually have a top similar to this in my closet. Yeah, so I see a lot of chocolate brown. Yeah, some argyle, which I love. This is super cute. This one is really cute as well. So yeah, so she doesn't have a lot, so I'm going to show you guys what's under her Pinterest. So on her Pinterest board, she likes neutrals. I see a lot of chunky knit sweaters, and I think that is so cute. And then I also see some green blazer sets. I see more like spring and summer. I love how her Pinterest board is so organized. This is really pretty. So she has some pastels and stuff, and then it goes back to neutrals. So I know she doesn't want any spring or summer stuff, so this might not be updated. So she doesn't really have a lot of fall fashion inspo, so I'm going to try to find some items, and then at the end I will show you guys what I ended up picking. So this lighting is actually very terrible, and it's actually blinding me, but you guys are actually in my little storage area, so I'm going to pick out some items that I know I might want to add to her bundle, and we will see what we can find. So I actually found a lot of stuff that I'm excited to put together. I found some sweaters and tops and more like neutral colors, and then I have some denim at the bottom and pants. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I picked out. Okay, so I hung everything up and it looks really nice. I'm so excited to go through each of these items and show you guys what I picked out. I forgot to vlog the portion of me going to the thrift store. I wish I showed you guys, because I did pick up a lot of items. Everything is laid out here, and let's get started with the first section, I guess. So on this hanger, I actually have a pair of mom jeans that I'm considering. It's just like a dark wash pair. I know that she wanted some mom jeans, so I only have one that I'm considering that would fit her measurements, so we will see. And then I also have this like nude midi skirt. It's kind of hard to show you guys on the camera. And then I actually have this really pretty wool skirt, and it's like this plaid print, a very neutral green. And then on this hanger I have all the pants. So I have this corduroy right here, a really pretty like cream color, and this is like a straight leg pair of high-waisted pants. The only thing is that this one, around the knee area, there's like a little stain. So I don't know if I should include this one, but I did want to put it in as an option. And then I have this really pretty like houndstooth pair of straight leg pants. If anything, it's a little bit wide leg. And then I also have this, lifting this is really tiring. And then I also have this pretty, like, I don't know, like maroon color, and it's like flowy pants from Nasty Gal. This pair is like an olive green pair of like slacks, I guess you would say. They're not really trousers, so these are all of the pants options. And I did want to include some pants just because it is cold in New Jersey, so this would be perfect for the fall time. And then now we have all the tops, and I have quite a bit. I have some cardigans in the front. I have one top, and then I have turtlenecks and some chunky sweaters. So I have this top, and it's just a really pretty baby blue color, and there's like an O-ring detail right here, which I think is really cute, and it's like a ribbed material, but I'm not sure if she would like this just because she said neutrals. And then I also have this really pretty cream argyle sweater, and she did want argyle and she didn't mind cream, so that's why I thought this would be a perfect thing to put in her bundle. And then the last cardigan that I have is a really pretty one that I'm probably going to put into her bundle for sure because of the color. She loves the chocolate brown color, so this was the only thing that I found in that color. And she does like patterns, so this one is really fun and interesting. It's a wool cardigan, and it's just super cute. She said that she doesn't like stripes, so there are some stripes at the bottom, but I think it's just too cute to pass up. And then we did see some turtlenecks, so I had to find some turtlenecks to put into her bundle. We have this like soft beige turtleneck. It's just plain, and then we also have this one, which is a really fun glittery color. I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera, but it's like a yellow ivory with some gold like glitter, and it's also a ribbed turtleneck, so this one is really stretchy. And then the last two items I have are some chunky sweaters, and I'm not sure if she would like them, but I thought they would be perfect for fall. So we have this like yellow cable knit turtleneck or mock neck sweater. It's really chunky, so this is a really nice oversized sweater. And then I have this beige one with a fun pattern on the front, so it's a little bit more breathable, but it's also like an oversized sweater. So the first thing I'm going to include in her bundle will be this piece, and I think it's perfect for her. Super cute for the fall time. And the next thing I think I'm going to include will be a bottom. So I think I'm going to include this really pretty skirt just because it's also like a wool material, so it's, you know, more of a fall piece. And then it's also like a neutral green color, so she really likes green. Also the plaid pattern, which is trendy for fall as well, and it's not too short. So we did see a lot of turtlenecks, so I think I'm going to go with this beige one because it's more of a neutral piece and not too loud. Also, this would be perfect to pair with some, you know, patterns, so we want to keep it simple. Okay, so I'm switching side, but imagine how cute this would be paired with this like plaid skirt. I think this would be such a look. I think the fourth item I'm going to include will be this argyle print just because she did like a lot of cardigans, and I think this one will be more of like an oversized cardigan for her. And also she likes the argyle print. So the first cardigan, I feel like it's more of a fitted cardigan, whereas this one she can wear as like an oversized cardigan. So I'm going to include both of these. And then for the last item, I don't want to add another top because we already have what, like 3 pieces. I'm going to measure these so I can see what will fit. Okay, so after measuring, I think this one will be a great fit. So I think these pieces will be great together. This will be like an outfit right here. And then honestly, she could also pair it with this cardigan. So I'm really happy because she can actually, you know, wear these pieces together, but she can also wear them alone. So that is what we have picked for her bundle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did it a little bit different compared to my previous mystery bundle video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a big thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. So don't forget to push the bell button for notifications every time I upload a new video. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!